Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make incredibly delicious enchiladas using a convenient rotisserie chicken. This full guide will walk you through every step, from preparing the flavorful chicken filling to perfectly baking your dish. You'll learn how to quickly transform a simple chicken into a satisfying meal that your family will love. Get ready to create a comforting and easy dinner in under an hour, perfect for any weeknight. First, let's prepare our delicious chicken filling. Take one whole rotisserie chicken and shred all the meat, which should give you approximately 4 cups. In a large bowl, combine this shredded chicken with 1 cup of your preferred enchilada sauce. Next, add 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese, along with about 1/4 cup of finely chopped white onion. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until everything is well combined and ready for assembly. Now, let's move on to assembling our enchiladas. Begin by warming 12 corn tortillas. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. You can microwave them for about 30 seconds or quickly dip them in warm oil. Next, dip each warm tortilla briefly into your enchilada sauce. Place about 1/3 cup of the chicken filling down the center of each tortilla, then roll it up tightly. Arrange the rolled enchiladas, seam side down, in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your delicious enchiladas. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in your baking dish. Then, generously sprinkle 1½ cups of shredded cheese over the entire top. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and serve immediately for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.